Nightingale's song soothed me. I wish I could learn the language of birds, but my master is very cruel. I have no time to rest. Oh, he is coming.
Ivan, you got and cut firewood from the forest.
Okay, master. Oh, there is heavy rain. Oh, there are 4 small birds in the nest. I will cover them with my clothes.
Thank you, Ivan. You protected my little children from cold and rain. Tell me, what can I do for you?
I wish to learn your language.
Stay with me, then you can learn it.
Thank you, Mother Bird.
How did you learn our language?
I learned it from the Mother Bird in the forest.
I have a secret to tell you.
What is it?
Ivan! Who are you talking to?
I was talking to a nightingale.
How can you talk to it?
I learned the bird's language.
What were you talking about?
It said I would become a king and you would become my servant.
I cannot sleep. Ivan will become a king. It will not happen. I will kill him. I will put him in a boat and push him to the open sea.
Be careful, birds predict a storm. Let us enter a harbor or we'll be in danger.
You silly boy, keep quiet.
Please obey my words or we will be in danger.
You save our life. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
My palace is full of crows. No one can get rid of them. Who will help me?
Your Majesty, I will get rid of the crows.
If you can do that, you can marry my daughter.
Servants, open the windows. Oh Lord, they are homeless. Your men are cutting down the trees. They want to stop it.
Instead, tell them to stop cutting the trees. Ivan, you kept your words. I marry my daughter to you. Today onwards, you will be the king.
Okay, master. Dear old man, what can I do for you?
Oh, your majesty, I lost my wife and all my wealth. Now I am old. I cannot work. Let me stay here and serve you.
Stay here as my servant. It's my nightingale. As you said, I became the king. But what happened to the merchant?
Oh, your majesty. He is in your palace and he is serving you.
Your majesty, supper is ready.
Oh, it is my old